up.
Siko sa ano?
Kami yung siko puti.
Yung siko mo. Ayaw.
Kamay.
With motion.
Including your head.
Ayaw. Masakit ang
Jude, can you do it again?
Ewan ko, baka tsamba lang yung kanina.
Mabigat ha?
Sabi ko sa'yo,
Pero pagka nakapagpapasok.
si Ruel ang lakas-lakas eh.
No.
Wow, good. My God. Only a TRPC.
Masakit ha? Hindi masakit yan. Oo lang yan.
Oh.
Hindi, may magazine ka mo eh.
Okay, let's see the
Pag
student.
may magazine,
Okay, this is the student now. Wow.
Tamaan mo mukha nito.
Yung elbow. Yung elbow mo. Tama ang elbow.
Wow.
lakasan mo.
You need another half inch.
Hindi, ito mas magaan to.
Another half inch.
11 to eh.
At least napapagalaw ni Mar. Ako di ko napapagalaw.
Okay, that's lighter.
14 to eh. Oh, mas mataas.
Magano ka.
Oh. Yeah.
Pero hindi ko makakala yung magazine.
The pistols are double checked. They are unloaded.
You always try that, ma. Last year you tried that.
It's only a toy.
Maybe with something different now.
Dapat practicein ni ano to. Kasi baka hawakan siya na isang preso ang Yeah. Someone might hold your other
Right there.
arm.
Ang tapos mabigat dito. Baba mo na yung baril mo.
The pistols are unloaded. They were double checked.
Are you going to order?
I don't even know what that's doing. I just
Now we're getting a shirt.
Mahirap. Si Ruel na siya.
Tigas ba? Pila kong mga tayo. Wala ka naman try ko. Okay, practice.
Romel, you're going to try? Be careful with your elbow.
They might hold your right hand, so you have to practice with the left.
Make sure it's empty.
Atras, atras.
Like in other words, operation was going to do an event for let's say 500 people.
He's looking like a law court.
Babate.
Ibabalik mo.
Ay, balik.
Yung hydro na agad.
Hawak ka.
At least nababatak mo.
Come on, Glockman. Oh, yeah.
You know, June will end up. He won't be able to sleep tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Shoulder pain. Aches.
Same kind of business.
Oh, yeah.
Another half inch. You got it.
Magagawa mo, Romel.
At least you can move it.
Yung position mo.
Safe living off. He sold those or
Parang sira na.
Parang lawnmower ang
Sira. Yung wala na.
Alam mo, June, you know why? Kamay ang ginagamit nila eh.
Hindi, kasi
Body raw, body.
try mo, Fred. Try mo. Dapat ganun.
Ba?
Okay, they were checked. The pistol is unloaded.
Nako.
Ginaganon niya eh. Kata mo? Tamingan.
Maganda yung XG.
No, it got to open. Put the magazine to make sure that you know.
Tingnan mo. Gawin mo lang, June.
Put the mag so it will open.
Hatak dito eh. Hindi, kasi
Oh,
dapat
It must have a mag.
babalik.
Oh.
Ganon?
Oh, tapos babalik. Pag naramdaman mo na, kumana.
There, see, it's open.
Sarap sana kung talagang kaya mong ganon. Ang gandang pagtignan eh. Ayaw.
Hindi ka dapat sabay. Sabay eh. Pag ganon, pag ano, babalik. Look quick.
Hindi, pag inatak mo ba, bumabalik yung slide?
Oh, dahil sasabay, dahil momentum, tapos eh.
May iiwan siya.
At the same time, ano, maiwan siya.
Oh.
Tayo na, masakit sa alin.
Hindi nga sa kamay, dito sa katawan.
There, look at that. See that?
So you have to come back.
It looks like you don't need strength.
So you can't even
Technique.
Katawan.
Pagtay mo pa mo. Yeah.
Tapos,
Atras, balik.
pag
Oh, at the same time, ano,
Ganon.
Balik, oo.
Tapos balik.
Oh.
Shows what is doing it, the forward.
In the forward.
Kumakalaw eh.
Eh siyempre, gagalap, magbubukas.
pag umatras siya,
Yeah,
para maiwan yung ano.
yeah.
Ganda magagawa nito, tingin ko eh.
Ayaw, gumagalaw.
Well, it's moving now.
Ganun lang eh.
It's moving.
Ito, nakakano to eh.
Ano ka ito? Eh, walang magazine ginagawa.
No,
ni Kyle.
how will you know if there's no mag?
May magasin.
Wag ka naman. Oh.
No, you have to put the mag so it will open.
Dapat may mag kasi para.
That means
Put gasoline!
you reach.
Hindi, dapat.
Hindi kasi
Kailangan may mag. Para alam mo nag-open. Wow, it's moving.
magalaw eh.
Mas malakas ka sa ganyan na.
Ayaw matingay.
Hindi ba na eh. Hindi ba. Teka lang, gagawin mo ulit.
Alam niya, buong araw.
Mga like ka na.
May pag-asa si Romel eh. Malakas ang tunog eh. Konti pa Romel.
Bukas saltik ng saltik to eh. Tangina, malakas to. Ha?
There, see the sound?
Kasi nagpa-akagan
Ipaa mo daw, pantay. The legs must be even.
Parang ganun.
Sabay. Atas. Oh, same. Malakas ngayon.
The sound is better. Look at that, see?
Like $3,000 a ship.
A quarter of an inch na lang. Romel, half inch na lang.
Halagyan kita rin na.
Romel, ganyan na lang, ganyan na lang.
Masakit na dito.
Ganyan na lang, tuloy mo.
I just feel like I
Isa pa.
Ang lakas, isa pa, kuha ko na.
Kaliwang kamay naman.
1911 yan,
Mamaya hindi ka makatulog.
1911, gusto mo?
nakababaeng hammer. Kapag
Hindi, matigas yung sa
Malambot na 1911 ko ah.
Matigas.
No, bababa mo yung
Aba mo na hammer, pakasay mo.
Okay, all these pistols were double checked that they are unloaded.
I'm gonna do practice at home.
My God.
I cannot do that on 1911. It's hard.
Hindi, ano.
Hindi, matigas pa rin eh.
Where? Vintage.
Make sure it's unloaded. Double check.
Newly painted.
Okay.
Matigas eh.
Tigas ba?
Where's the mag?
Tatalunin si Fernando po pag ano.
Wow! Get a close up. Wow! Look at that. That's a 1911
Shit.
Isa pa nga.
Colt Mark IV Series 70.
2011.
2011 next shit. 1, 2. Oh, hindi na.
Uh-oh.
Eh, baka naman na ano mo na to.
I think you need more oil.
2011 next.
Ano yung malambot yung sa akin yan?
Mas malambot.
You need more mobile one.
Mas matigas to.
Synthetic.
Ay, sa akin.
But that's heavier.
Yeah, this is heavy.
Hindi, yung side ang ano eh.
Pareho lang, mas maayos to eh.
Ilan spring yan?
17 yata is
Ay,
Good. He got it.
Eh.
Look at that. Look at that.
Ito, Romel, kaya mo to, Romel. Nasaan si Romel?
Yeah. Look at that. Very good.
Oh, you can
1911.
do it on 1911, ha? Parang nakababaeng hammer. Siguro to 14 pounds, ano?
That's a 45.
No, but
Yung spring.
matigas.
No, I mean, once you lock it, that means it can be loaded.
One more time.
Ano, one more time? Puta na. Kaya puta na.
Just for the record.
The pistols are all unloaded. Double check.
Puta na, dapat nasa YouTube.
Very
Pala ako
good.
eh.
YouTube ba? YouTube ba? YouTube natin.
Dapat may bala to eh.
Walang videos.
No.
Oh, doon dapat.
Maganda yung ginawa natin dati, binabaril mo.
Maganda sana yung kumukha sa Glock eh, ano ha?
Kaya pala, no?
Lagyan mo ng balat. Paputok.
It look like that's easier. It look like it's easier for you.
No.
Really?
Nadaling.
Patingin.
Classic pa ang puwan. Pagka ginagawa niya na, laging ganun.
Yan, baka magawa mo yan dyan.
Ay, picture lang, hindi video.
Hindi ko napili. Gumagalo lang.
Yun siya, ano yung tinutulak din ganun.
Wala tayo siya.
For your information, whoever is watching this, these pistols were double checked that they are unloaded.
Pero lambot nga ito. Pinapalambot ko pa.
Tigas niyan, pa.
Hindi, no-open ko lagi.
Sabi ko nga sa iyo, si Ruel, ang lakas nun. Ang boy na niya is 70 pounds. I can't even pull it.
70 pounds?